this video, I'm going to show you my favorite food and my favorite restaurants in Iloilo City, Philippines. And our first restaurant is going to be Ribshack. This is in SM City, Iloilo. This was the last restaurant I ate when I left Iloilo. They serve grilled stuff, they have steaks, chicken inasal, roasted pork, and even different kinds of grilled fish. This restaurant is pretty affordable. Their menu ranges from 100 pesos to 300 pesos, and for me, this is one of the best deals you can get in Iloilo City.
Look how juicy that is. That is so tender. A sweet achara.
The next one is one of my absolute favorites in Iloilo City. In my overall stay in Iloilo City, I went back to this place 5 times, and everything I ordered, I absolutely love it. From the rice, to the oysters, and to the grilled fish, and even the fruit shakes, everything's awesome, and I can honestly tell you that this is one of the places that I will miss in Iloilo City. And this is Samurai Talabahan. And by the way, the prices here are really affordable. They only charge 140 pesos for a set of oysters. Isn't that a great deal? For me, this next restaurant has the best combo meal in Iloilo City. And this is Ondoy's Sugbahan. For only 200 pesos, you will have a chicken inasal, 3 pieces of baked oysters, and of course, in the Philippines, there's always going to be a rice. And for me, this is one of the best restaurants in the city. And for our next stop, we will go to Molo Mansion in the Molo district of Iloilo City. This is just in front of the famous Molo Church, so it's hard to miss. This is not the original Pancit Molo, but if it's already late and you're still craving for that hot Ilonggo dish, you can come here up to 10 p.m. and taste that famous Iloilo Pancit Molo.
Alright, so here it is, the famous Molo soup of Molo, Iloilo. Yep. Taste the dumpling. This is good, guys.
The next one is not a local restaurant. They don't have any Ilonggo dish or even any Filipino dish in that matter. But I still think this is one of the best restaurants in the city of Iloilo. This is a Malaysian restaurant, and I was told that they are serving halal foods. This is Jom Makan. This is in the Molo district of Iloilo City. And my absolute favorite here is the nasi lamak and also the nasi goreng. And our next destination is the creator of the original Pancit Molo. I've eaten Kap Ising in 2 of their locations, one near Molo Church and the other one is in Atria Park District. Both of the locations are really good. The tastes are the same, but the price is a little bit cheaper in the one near Molo Church. But of course, if you're in the center of Iloilo City, the one in Atria will be much more closer. And our next one is another Ilonggo favorite. This is Y2K Seafood and Grill, and this restaurant is famous with their adobong native chicken. You get to try it. I know it's called Seafood and Grill, but my god, their adobong native chicken is just the best, and I also recommend their baked scallops.
This is native, that's why it's like this. That's good.
And these next 2 restaurants are both chicken inasal place, and I think these are the best bang for your buck in Iloilo City. Both are really cheap, but also really delicious. These 2 restaurants are the meaning of value for your money. The first restaurant is Chicken Inato. This restaurant offers unlimited rice, so if you are hungry, make sure to drop by Chicken Inato. And the other one is just a small eatery near the famous Tatoy's restaurant in Atra, and this restaurant is called Belly Boys. They serve fresh from the grilled chicken inasal, and they also serve balbakwa. This is a local Filipino dish, and if you're in Visayas and Mindanao region, make sure to taste this. This is full of collagen and it's really yummy, and I think you will love it. And our next restaurant is another chicken inasal place. This is a much more high-end kind of chicken inasal. The price here are much more higher than your usual chicken inasal place. The taste here is very good, and I think this restaurant is being used by the locals of Iloilo City if they have an out-of-town visitors that wants to taste a chicken inasal. And this is Barrio Inasal. We still have 3 more restaurants, and I think these 3 are a must taste or a must visit when you are in Iloilo province of the Philippines. 2 of these restaurants are outside Iloilo City, but they are so good that I needed to include them in this video. And the first one is going to be the restaurant in Damires Hills Leisure Resort. The food here are amazing, the staff, and this is one of the best places that you can visit in Iloilo province. And in this restaurant, I recommend their burger and their southern fried chicken. Guys, seriously, the chicken is so good. It's like a pancake house chicken. It's really good. I love it. Even the gravy. This is so good. And these next 2 are my absolute favorites in Iloilo province of the Philippines. The first one is going to be Louie's Batchoy in Janiuay, Iloilo. This is an hour away from Iloilo City, but I'm telling you right now, the travel is all worth it. The Batchoy is really good, and it's only 105 pesos.
Here, and they told me it's really good, so I'm gonna go with the Batchoy extra with paras and boiled egg. So I think that's the super extra special.
And here's my top pick in my Iloilo City restaurant adventure. This is Alicia's Batchoy. The Batchoy here is the best I've tasted in my whole life. It's so good, it's so fatty, the noodles are al dente, it's full of meat, it has collagen, you name it, it has it. I'm telling you right now, if you go to Iloilo City, make sure to drop by Alicia's Batchoy in La Paz district of Iloilo City, because if you don't, your Iloilo City adventure won't be complete.
I like it.
This was really good. Thank you.
My golly. Nick, look.
What is that?
It's
It's just the fat.
collagen. Collagen.
Collagens.
Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope I made you want to go visit Iloilo province of the Philippines. And I hope that if you're planning to go to Iloilo City or Iloilo province, I gave you some ideas where to eat, what to eat around the city or even around the province. And I love Iloilo. Please don't forget to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel so that I can take you to more places and more yummy foods like this in the future. Thank you, take care, bye.